In this video I will show you how to use the docstrings, and I will explain you the difference of this with the comments. For this example I will define a function, but you can do it with a class or other too. With the docstring you can document a Python program. To create it you need to use triple quotation marks. For this reason it can be confused with string comments, especially if you use in the wrong place. For example, a string comment following a function will be interpreted as a docstring. Unlike comments, the docstring have formal requirements. One of them is that you have to start with a short summary of the function. The summary is followed by a blank line, and later you can describe the function. When you finish, you can continue with the function. If your docstring have only one line, you should have a short description there. You don't need the summary or the blank line. If you are still confused, we will talk now about the difference between comments and docstrings. In the docstring you need to use triple quotation marks, while in the comments you use hashtag. There is no restriction about where to write the comment. We can write docstrings only for module, class, functions, and methods. The comments usually are short, and in the docstring you can describe the function of the code with more details.